First we will be using the 22 LI, using the Winchester PowerPoint 42 Max, shooting at 1350 feet per second. This is the round in the magazine, and we are putting that on the max hold, and off we go. 93.8 decibels. For the second test we will be using the CB Long by CCI. You can see these projectiles, they are 29 grains, shooting supposedly at 710 feet per second. These are the quietest around the market. So we'll have to hand feed it because they don't fit into magazine, they're too short. Okay, so there we go, we close it, that's our pressure meter. And go. So we've got 82.9 decibels, shooting at 672 feet per second. Okay, for this test we will be using Benjamin Marauder pre-charged pneumatic air rifle that is fitted with a 23-inch custom Lothar Walter barrel. We took the shroud off that barrel just to make sure that there's no chance of whatever sound alteration caused by that shroud. And we will be using a 32 grain Samyang 22 caliber pointed pellets. These are the heaviest in this caliber, and in fact they are heavier than the CB Longs by CCI that we used, the quiet 29 grainers. So we'll load that into chamber, and that's our sound pressure meter. We put it on hold and we go. So we've got 84 decibels and 630 feet per second.